Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the Event Post feature within the AppSpace Employee app. As an account owner or publisher, you can use the Quick Post feature to announce events right within the app. You can create an event post by clicking on the What do you want to share box under the banner graphic, or by clicking the plus button at the top right of your homepage and selecting Quick Post. Then, toggle to the Event Posting section by selecting the calendar icon along the left panel. To start creating your event, select the channel where you want the event post to appear from the drop-down menu. The default run date for the post, not the event itself, is set as now. If you would like to have the post run at a particular time and date, you can change the dates here or click on the ellipsis to open Settings and change it there. In the Settings menu, you can also change the author of the post, add your post to featured content, add any tags, and also enable or disable social reactions. Once you have made your selections, click the back arrow. If you would like to add an image to the post, select Upload Cover to browse your computer for an image file. Next, enter a title for the event. Then, fill in the information for the event, including the date and time as well as the location. In the larger text box, add your message. To add formatting to your text, highlight the text and select from the menu that appears. You can also add a file to your post by clicking Files at the bottom of the window. When completed, click Publish. The event post will now appear in the newsfeed as well as in the Events section, which is accessed by clicking the More tab. Visit our Knowledge Center to learn more about the AppSpace Employee app experience.